Good evening, sir and classmate. Our topic for tonight is all about cell theory. Cell theory. In biology, cell theory is the historic scientific theory now universally accepted that living organisms are made up of cells, that they are the basic structural organizational unit of all organisms, and that all cells come from pre-existing cells. Sabi dito, sa biology, ang teorya ng cell ay ang makasaysayang teoryang pang-agham na tinanggap ngayon ng buong mundo, na ang mga nabubuhay na organismo ay binubuo ng mga cell, na sila ang pangunahing unit ng struktura ng lahat ng mga organismo, at lahat ng mga cell ay nagmula sa mga dating mayroon ng mga cell. Next, the three tenets to the cell theory are as described. First, all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. Sample, cells are the smallest common denominator of life. Some cells are organisms unto themselves, others are part of multicellular organisms. All cells are made from the same major classes of organic molecules. For example, nucleic acid, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. Second, the cell is the basic unit of structure and organization in organisms. The cell, from Latin cella, meaning small room, is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all known organisms. A cell is the smallest unit of life. Cells are often called the building blocks of life. Third, cells arise from pre-existing cells. All known living things are made up of one or more cells. All living cells arise from pre-existing cells by division. The cells is the fundamental unit of structure and function in all living organisms. All cells are basically the same in chemical composition and organisms of similar species. Number 1 example, yung larawan niya. Ito naman siya. Ito naman yung animal cell at ito naman yung plant cell. Number 2 example ng larawan niya, ito naman siya. Ito yung mitochondrion, nucleus, Golgi body, ribosomes, ito. Then, endoplasms, lysosomes, and plasma membrane. And third, ito naman yung sample niya. Ito. All cells originate from pre-existing cells. Okay, next. History. With continual improvements made to microscopes over time, magnification technology advanced enough to discover cells. This discovery is largely attributed to Robert Hooke and began the scientific study of cells known as cell biology. When observing a piece of cork under the scope and he was able to see pores. This was shocking at the time because it was believed no one else had seen this. To further support his theory, Matthias Creeden and Theodor Schwann both studied cells of both animals and plants. What they discovered was there were significant differences between the two types of cells. This put forth the idea that cells were not only fundamental to plants but animals as well. Karagdagang history ng cell theory. Ang teorya ng cell o doktrina ng cell ay nagsasaad na ang lahat ng mga organismo ay binubuo ng magkatulad na mga unit ng samahan na tinatawag na mga cell. Ang konsepto ay formal na naipahayag noong 1839 ni Creeden at si Schwann at nanatili bilang pundasyon ng modernong biology. Next. Types of cells. Cells can be subdivided into the following subcategories. First, prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are relatively small cells surrounded by the plasma membrane, with a characteristic cell wall that may differ in composition depending on the particular organism. Prokaryotes lack a nucleus, although they do have circular or linear DNA and other membrane-bound organelles, though they do contain ribosomes. The protoplasm of a prokaryote contains the chromosomal region that appears as fibrous deposits under the microscope, and the cytoplasm. Bacteria and archaea are the two domains of prokaryotes. Second, eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are the first of complex cells which were labeled proto-eukaryotes. Over a period of time, these cells acquired a mitochondrial symbiotic and later developed a nucleus. These, amongst other changes, have posed as the significant difference between the two. Animals have involved a greater diversity of cell types in a multicellular body, 100 to 150 different cell types, compared with 10 to 20 in plants, fungi, and protoctista. That's all. Thank you.